Hello everyone, welcome back to Sporaria YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to adjust font size on Samsung Galaxy A25. Okay guys, so if you feel that you don't match to the font size on your cell phone, whether it's very small or maybe very large, well, you can change or adjust the font size according to what you want. Well, how to do that is very easy and I will show you how. Okay, first you can go to settings menu on your phone like this, and then you can scroll down a little bit and then go to desktop. Okay guys, so after that you can scroll down a little bit and then go to font size and style, and here you can adjust the font size according to what you want, whether it's very small or maybe very large. You can adjust it, so the font size will change automatically after you change it. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to adjust font size on Samsung Galaxy A25, and then thank you so much for watching guys.